This is the story of a little boy named Leo. One day, he found a door he never saw before. Behind that door was his mother's biggest secret. Leo lived with his mom and his little sister Mia. Their home was small, but full of love. Every morning, his mom woke up very early. Leo always asked, "Mom, where do you go?" She always smiled and said, "Nowhere special, my love." But one Saturday morning, Leo woke up before everyone. The house was quiet, very quiet. He walked slowly down the hallway, and then he saw it. The little door was open. Leo pushed the door slowly, and he stopped. He could not believe his eyes. There was a garden, a beautiful secret garden, inside the house. There were flowers of every color: red, yellow, purple, orange. There were small trees. There were butterflies. And in the middle of the garden was his mom. His mom turned around. She smiled softly. "Leo," she said, "you found my secret." Leo sat down next to her on the grass. "Mom," he asked, "why is this a secret?" She took a deep breath. "Because," she said, "this is my happy place. When I am tired, when I am sad, I come here, and I feel better." Leo looked at all the flowers. He looked at the butterflies. He looked at his mom's face. She looked happy here, really happy. He said quietly, "Mom, can I come here too when I am sad?" She hugged him and said, "This is our happy place now." Just then, they heard small footsteps. Tap, tap, tap. Little Mia appeared at the door. She looked at the garden. Her eyes became very big. She whispered, "Whoa." Leo laughed. Mom laughed, and Mia ran inside and fell on the soft green grass, laughing. From that day, every Saturday morning, Leo, Mia, and their mom went to the garden together. They watered the plants, they talked, they laughed. They were quiet together, and the garden grew more beautiful every single week. Everyone needs a happy place. Maybe yours is a garden, maybe it is a book, maybe it is music, or maybe it is just being with the people you love. Find your happy place and share it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.